Sustainable Futures, Islamic Economy, Global Impact. From the world's financial capitals, London, Singapore, Cape Town, New York, Sao Paulo, and Sydney, Islamic economy drives a vision that transcends borders. It is not just finance, but a global force for trade, investment, and ethical economic growth. A sustainable future is being built today, with Islamic economy at its core. In Europe, Luxembourg issued the first euro-denominated sovereign sukuk worth €200 million in 2014, while the United Kingdom and Germany strengthened the presence of Islamic banks by offering ethical and Sharia-compliant solutions. In Asia, Thailand established the Islamic Bank of Thailand in 2002, with assets reaching about $2.5 billion in 2024. In the Philippines, new Islamic banking infrastructure is being developed to expand ethical financial services. In Africa, AlBaraka Bank South Africa stands as the first fully-fledged Islamic bank since 1989, followed by successful experiences in Kenya and Ethiopia. Across the Atlantic to North America, the United States is among the world's largest in terms of Islamic funds assets under management, AUM, reaching about $11 billion in 2024. Alongside Canada, it is witnessing rapid growth in Islamic financial services. In South America, Brazil has become the largest exporter of halal food at $26 billion in 2023, and the first Islamic bank in Suriname opened new horizons for responsible investment. In Australia, the National Australia Bank introduced Sharia-compliant business products in 2021, expanding into real estate and assets. Across these diverse markets, the Islamic economy has evolved into a truly global force, driving growth and delivering social impact beyond Muslim-majority countries. Islamic finance stands as a pillar of the Islamic economy, with assets of $5.98 trillion in 2024, according to the London Stock Exchange Islamic Finance Development Report 2025, while global halal food consumption surpassed $1.43 trillion. Halal tourism, with spending surpassing $326 billion at the end of 2023, is expected to double in the next decade. Modest and sustainable fashion, halal pharmaceuticals, and cosmetics are opening new frontiers for global consumers. Islamic fintech is leading the way with innovations in digital payments, crowdfunding, and AI, as global digital transactions, valued at $138 billion in 2022-2023, are projected to soar to $306 billion by 2027, expanding access to ethical finance worldwide. The assets of global Takaful, Islamic insurance industry, reached around $136 billion in 2024. Together, these industries place the Islamic economy at the heart of global trade beyond Muslim-majority countries. But this story is not only about numbers. Zakat, Waqf, and Islamic social finance fund education, healthcare and innovation, serving Muslims and non-Muslims worldwide. They also strengthen the role of the non-profit sector in community development. Islamic economy is more than growth. It is values in action, building communities, shaping lives. According to the London Stock Exchange Islamic Finance Development Report 2025, global Islamic finance assets are expected to reach $9.7 trillion by 2029. Innovation in Islamic fintech, from digital payments to ethical investment and takaful, is driving a transformation in financial inclusion for Muslims and non-Muslims alike. ESG Sukuk market surpassed $50 billion in outstanding value by the end of 2024, funding clean energy projects globally. The future is not tomorrow, it is already here, built on ethical, sustainable investment serving diverse communities. From London, the 4th AlBaraka Summit stands as a leading global platform for business, investment, and the Islamic economy. Here, leaders, investors, and policymakers come together to shape the future, affirming that Islamic economy is not just an alternative, but a driving force behind a fairer, more sustainable global economy, powered by digital innovation and Islamic fintech.